Let us solve another numeral based on direct mapping technique through which we completely masterize this concept. Okay, let us solve another question. Let us understand that a system has 32-bit physical address. And 32 KB cache memory with a block size of 128 words or bytes. Okay, this block can be measured either in words or bytes. Both are one and the same. Okay, now find out the number of bits for tag, block, and word fields. Okay, so here we need to find it out. Now first you understand this block can be called in several ways. Okay, the block field can be called in several ways. In direct mapping, this block field can be called as block or a line. Okay, because a block and line will be the same thing, that is a group of words. Okay, in set associative mapping, the same block field can also be called as set field. Okay, this block can also be called as a set field. So which means that this block field can be referred to as multiple names: block field or a line field or a set field. Everything refers to the same thing. Okay, now let us solve this question. Here you know that the physical address space is equal to 32 digits. Right, so the physical address, you draw it, which is equal to 32 digits. The physical address should be initially divided into two parts. One is index and one more is tag. Okay, index is equal to number of address bits in tag, number of address bits in cache, number of address bits in cache. So let us go to the cache memory. What is cache? Cache is given as 32 KB. Okay, so 32 KB is equal to, I will write it down, 32 KB is equal to 2 power 50. Okay, so index field should be equal to 15 digits, right? Yeah, so index is equal to 15 and the tag is equal to the remaining digits. So tag is equal to 17. Tag is equal to 17 and the index is equal to 15, right? Now, as the block is given, as the size of the block is given, we need to divide the index field into two more fields. One is word field and second one is the block field or a line field, whatever you call. What is a word? Word is number of words per block. Per block. What is number of words per block? Number of words per block is equal to, here it is given 128. So total 128. That is 128 is equal to 7 digits. So here the number of bits that are required to represent the word field is equal to 7 bits. Okay. So 2 power 7 is equal to the number of words per block. We need to have 7 digits because 2 power is equal to the number of words per block. 15 minus 7 is equal to 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Index has to be divided into two parts. Which one is? The one is the word portion. The word portion will have to be as many number of digits as required to represent number of words per block. Okay. Now the remaining bits will be for the block. So there are 2 power 8 blocks. Each block is of 2 power 7 words. So this is how you are going to have a division. Okay. And one more small example, with one more small example, we'll finish it off. Here, let me take one more small example. That is, physical address is equal to, let us say, 24 bits. Okay. Cache is 4K, 4 KB. And block is equal to, size of the block is equal to 32 words. 32 words. So what should we do? Initially, we need to have this 24 bits. Total 24. In which, what is index? Index is equal to number of bits required to address cache. 4 KB is equal to 2 power 12. So that require 12 digits. Index is equal to 12. And physical address is equal to 24 bits, meaning tag is also equal to 12. Now index must be subdivided into word field and block field. What is word field? Word field will represent the number of digits that are required to address the size of the block. The size of the block is equal to 32. 32 is equal to 2 power 5. So 5 digits per word field. 12 minus 5 is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay. So 7 for the block field. This is how you're going to differentiate, rather, divide tag fields, block field, and a word field.